Also, it's pretty chilly today, so this should be really fun. Let's do this. So, Tuesday was my 31st birthday, but today I'm roasting a whole brisket. Having friends come over tonight, it's gonna be super fun. What do you think? But first, coffee. So with doing brisket, a few things you should know. First, it takes a long time. Second thing you should know, we're using a gas grill, so it'll be different than using a regular smoker. It's a pretty chill day, starting off at 34 degrees while cooking a 9-pound brisket. Alright, so one thing that you want to keep in mind is, since this is a gas grill, you're going to want to cover the grate so it's not direct heat. Alright, so now that it is covered, we can turn the grill on. Alright, so now that the grill is turned on, we're going to let it heat up to about 225 or so, and then we'll time to toss the brisket on. So as you can see, this is a fairly large brisket. Let's do this. Hi! Go in. You can see he's got the wood chips in there, and it'll help release the smoke out. Get thumbs up. Like nervous, everyone's watching.
I know, right? Don't mess it up. Right, you know what you're
doing. Oh yeah, that's good.
What do you want, bud?
Oh yeah. How's it look on there, babe? There you go. should have had it. Andre, is that your first?
I'm sure they probably are. But
Ever?
Yeah.
No, but this is the first ever good one. That makes sense.
yes, the
Okay,
one,
Carol.
the one at Morgan Street, they have 3.
It's racial grounds, but then the bakery has its own name. But
Is that
coffee is
Hey, coffee.
Heaven, yes.
Same
I was
with
smelling coffee. I was I'm a huge coffee guy. No,
He
me
is too.
Like, No, in the my only office, I have 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways of making coffee.
Yeah.
In my,
But we have what, 8?
the only reason I'm sure you have like
I
everything.
just,
Yeah.
It's not
I
recording.
use I use
No.
my French press
Oh, I thought it was.
really more than I do that.
Is
one.
it?
Still use the
It's
kettle.
been recording for like 10
minutes.
Oh,